Hey guys, so today we're going to take a look at the brand new Huawei Watch 3. Now this is what the box looks like. It is powered by the app gallery, of course. On the back there's some serial model numbers and stuff like that. Let's see what's inside. So obviously we get the watch itself, which we'll get to in a bit. Let's see what else is in here. There's nothing here. Probably the charger here. And a quick start guide. Okay. Seems like there's nothing else in the box. And the charger is a USB-A to a proprietary wireless magnetic charging dock. So this would go onto the back of the watch. And now for the watch itself. So this is the Huawei Watch 3. Take a closer look. So this is the new Huawei Watch 3, launched alongside the new Huawei MatePad Pro and the introduction of the company's new Harmony OS. So this is the watch face itself, where you can see the dials and certain informations on the screen. So swiping up from the bottom, you'll get to see your notifications. Swiping down from the top, you get to see your notifications panel, where you have one-shot quick access to all the different settings in the watch itself, like to turn on the torch, or to turn on do not disturb mode, or even airplane mode, and set the vibration levels. So swiping from the left, you get the weather notification. So when it comes to charging, the Huawei Watch 3 does use a proprietary wireless magnetic charging dock. Now this is connected to a USB Type-A cable. So if you lose this, you might not be able to charge your Watch 3 until you get a replacement charger, the exact same one, right? So how it works is you just put it onto the back of the Huawei Watch 3. It attaches magnetically and it would start charging. Now it doesn't matter which direction it is put in, as long as it is magnetically attached, then it would be charging. So the Huawei Watch 3 has a metal body on the top that has a metallic finish, with the crown being a glass material, and on the bottom you get the same reflective material that houses the heart rate monitor. So the strap is a fluoroelastomer strap that is hypoallergenic. It's not supposed to cause any allergic reactions or whatsoever. It has two things here that keeps the wrist strap safe and contained. There are multiple angles for you to adjust, multiple band loopholes here for you to adjust, and the back here has the same reflective material which houses the heart rate monitor. If you're wondering, the watch strap is actually replaceable. So there's this clasp here where you can just pull back on it and just remove the watch strap just like that. Same goes from the bottom. You can just pull down and remove. So if you ever need to replace the Huawei Watch 3's watch strap, like maybe with a different color or different material, that's how you do it. Putting it back in, it's simple. Just align it with the holes, pull down and push it back into place, and slowly find the hole that it's supposed to go into. There you go. So the Huawei Watch 3 does have a physical button here, which is dedicated to starting a routine or your workout. And there's a rotating crown here as well to help with scrolling, and also to go back or to launch other apps in the watch. So let's say you were to change your watch face. That's how you do it. Just long press in the middle of the screen, and you can either just flick through like this, or you can use the rotating crown to rotate through the different watch faces that are available. So if you want to start your workout, you can just press this physical button here, and it will go into the workout, and you can choose all the different workouts that you have: badminton, indoor cycle, walking, running. It's all up to you. There are multiple workout modes with the Watch 3, so they're all in here. And to go back, you can press on the crown itself to scroll or go back. It's pretty simple to navigate through the Huawei Watch 3, either with the crown or using your finger to flick through the screen itself. The back button here is useful as well, but if you're on the home screen, you will notice that it actually launches all the apps that are available on the Huawei Watch 3 in a list view. So you can see your workout records, you can even activate your phone, because as mentioned before, this watch actually has eSIM capabilities. So if you have an eSIM installed, you can use the watch to directly make calls. There's the keypad, you can just put in your number. Let's go back and see what else. You can directly play music, see your sleep patterns. You can also measure your stress levels or to even start breathing exercises. And as usual with any other smartwatch, you can also set alarms, stopwatches, or set a timer. The Watch 3 does have a large display, so you can actually take notes by using recording. So the Huawei Watch 3 also has a notepad app that lets you take notes by doing a recording. So you can just tap the mic button here, start recording, blah blah blah, I need to work on the next project soon. Stop, and it will record, save the recording and pair it to your phone so you can access it on your phone, the phone that is connected to the device, of course. Last but not least, there's also App Gallery, where you can visit the App Store to get even more apps for the Huawei Watch 3. In Settings, this is where you can access your account, your Bluetooth pairings, your watch faces, NFC for payments, sound and vibrations, anything to tweak the settings of the Watch 3, it's all in here. So you can even perform system updates directly from in here. You can also perform updates through a phone with the Huawei Health app, and it isn't only available on Huawei phones, it can also be installed on Androids and iOS devices, as long as they have the Huawei Health app installed. So I guess the main features of the Huawei Watch 3 include heart rate monitor, which constantly measures your heart rate as you grow throughout your day. There's also the blood oxygen level monitor that keeps monitoring that your blood has sufficient oxygen in your body, as well as the skin temperature measurement, where it monitors your skin's temperature so that you don't get overheated. So yeah, I guess that's basically the Huawei Watch 3. We are working on a review, so do stay tuned to the site, and I guess it's time that we say goodbye. See you next time, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Ciao.